Assalamualaikum viewers, you are watching FM Corner. Today's vlog is all about rain. We were actually went out for a long drive today, but because of rain we had to stop. There was quite heavy rain, so at that time we had to wait for the rain to stop and move on. Because the stuff like that, if we were not stopping at that time, so there will be quite so many chances of sliding, so we had to wait there. But alhamdulillah, the rain stopped and then we moved to our destination. Seriously, I didn't see that much rain, that much heavy rain actually in this season really. The noise of the rain was seriously gave us some serious kind of chills at that moment. But we loved it. We loved the rain today. I thought at that time, why shouldn't I make a clip and share with all of you at that moment of heavy rain? So here it is. I hope you enjoyed the rain. Inshallah, more interesting and amazing stuff I'll be keep making for all of you. We'll be including inshallah everything like travel, lifestyle and everything, makeup, beauty and cooking. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button for more updates and new vlogs and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.